This meeting is being recorded.
Are you able to view the screen?
Yes, sir.
So as I was mentioning that after the system got refreshed, this issue came up when I was trying to get into the BP creation process. So I was asking you that whether you encountered this issue earlier. Logical system not defined for this client, and the BP screen was not opening.
FPPP1 you are trying to say, sir?
Correct. When I was trying to go into FPP1, it was not allowing me either as person or as organization or as group. And every time I clicked upon that, it showed me this error: logical system not defined for this client. So the reason for this was, as the data got refreshed, the client that we were using, ISU1, also got refreshed. And for that, what happens that it has to be linked with a logical system inside the SAP ERP, SAP system. And once you do that, then again the ISU client gets connected with the installation, and we can proceed with whatever activity we want to do. This is the basics of defining logical system. And the context is that the purpose of this activity is to create a logical system for your systems to enable communication between systems within your system landscape. You must define the system as logical systems and assign logical system to your client. And next, we have to again assign the logical system to the client. First, we create a client like ISU1, and then we go for assigning the logical system to the client. How we do that? In SPRO, we have to go into SAP NetWeaver. We'll check that out in the front end. I am opening the SAP system.
I can't see the screen, sir.
Yeah, it is opening, and then once it opens, I will share the screen. You are viewing the screen, right?
Yes, sir.
See, here we get the option of creating the logical system. First of all, we need to define the logical system and then assign logical system to the client. So here I entered this particular record, ISU1 logical system for client 400. That is the client we are working upon now. Previously, it was some other client to which our SAP access was, and then after refresh, this is 400. It shows in the login screen is the new client. So I created this record. Then I went back. Then I went into assign logical system to client. Herein, this 400 was there as the logical client. And whatever we did in the previous step, we need to assign it to this particular client. It's changed on 6/2/2003, that is today. These are all previous entries which were there in the system, and this was for today. Here in this screen, what we do is logical system. This is blank previously, and then I assign whatever I created in the first option, define the logical system. So in this menu, this appeared ISU1 logical system for client 400, and when I executed this, it got assigned to the client and things started working. So this is again uh, 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 these are all problem solvers we face in day-to-day life while working in the SAP system. And if you are having the knowledge to crack these particular issues, you are again a core consultant uh, who has the confidence to move on with anything he faces. Now, coming to the second topic of today's discussion. It is the business partner data flow in tables that we had picked up in our last class on Saturday. Today, we will be working upon the slides and checking out the hands-on activities. So, what all are there in business partner and what governs the data flow in business partner, we will be checking out. Business partner introduction. The business partner concept has a very big importance in SAP S/4HANA Finance as we do its configuration in this application. We will talk about all the newly added features which have made it very popular and demanding. Let us move on to understand SAP Business Partner by focusing upon its overall facts and work processes. The main topics we will be covering under these are as follows. Number one, concept of SAP Business Partner. Number two, areas that have a major impact on business partner. Number three, benefits of using SAP Business Partner. Number four, master data synchronization. Number five, features and characteristics of SAP Business Partner. How to check and activate business functions in SAP Business Partner. Then the customer vendor integration process, that is CVI. Then the SAP Business Partner master data configuration. Concept of SAP Business Partner. In SAP S/4HANA, the business partner has become the leading object and single point of entry to maintain supplier, formerly known as vendor, and customer master data. With this new approach, master data maintenance becomes easier and achieves harmonization among the various business functions of a company, brings diverse business processes together. The business partner function brings together the different and diverse business processes a company manages and with its partners. It does it all via a single transaction and with a consolidated view of a partner's data. Further, it can have the role of a supplier, vendor, a customer, or an employee. It can also be a person, a group of persons, or an organization. you can create a business partner in different business partner roles. Then how it plays multiple roles. You don't need to create the general data for each business partner role, as it's the same for all business partner functions. As a result, you can use the same business partner for different applications. For example, you can interact with business partner number 20,000 as a customer in a customer role and vendor as a vendor role. Hence, in this way, a business partner can play multiple roles. Then the other next advantage is it eliminates data redundancy. Due to the highly integrated nature of data and information flow in business partners, a tremendous amount of data redundancy is eliminated, as the basic of general information maintained for a business partner automatically extends to other partner functions. Thus, after maintaining a business partner's general or basic information, a company can maintain or extend the existing business partner's general information into one or more of these areas. So this, as I mentioned earlier, that we can extend the same business partner that we create into various roles. It could be a real estate partner. It could be a general business partner. It could be a loan partner, so on and so forth. Moreover, it can be extended to become a customer or vendor. Next, its impact on finance. In the SAP finance area, a business user maintains specific information such as the company code associated with a business partner, either a vendor or customer, business controls such as reconciliation account, maintenance, tolerance limits, reminders for payment, tax details, legal data, and specific or overall blocking of business partners are some of the options available in the finance area of a business partner. These are all what we can work with a business partner in the finance area. This defines main interactions of a vendor or a customer as a business partner in the finance domain. Next, when we come into material management, a business partner plays a pivotal role in the procurement process of the material management, that is area of S/4HANA. Some of the business controls are available for maintaining or extending purchasing information. It includes purchasing organization, order currency, payment terms, dunning procedure, automatic purchase order creation, etc. So these fall under the material management part. Then into the sales and distribution area, a business partner plays a central role in the sales, delivery, and billing process of the SD sales and distribution area of S/4HANA. Here also, some of the business controls are available while maintaining or extending sales information. It includes a sales area, which is comprised of the sales organization, distribution channel and division, order currency, payment terms, dunning procedure, shipping, and billing. So these are the activities pertaining to the sales and distribution area of the business partner. This may not come into the SAP FICA ISU module that we are dealing with. Benefits of using SAP business partner. Number one, a legal entity is represented by one business partner. So business partner is the legal entity in SAP. A business partner allows the maintenance of multiple addresses for various users. It can be billed to, sold to, shipped to, whatever address you want to associate to a business partner. So one business partner could be associated to multiple addresses. While in SAP ERP, one supplier or customer could be associated only with one vendor account group. However, with business partners in SAP S/4HANA, multiple roles can be associated with the same business partner. Maximum sharing and reuse of data lead to easier and simplified data consolidation. So this is the most utility of this advanced business partner feature, that we can have the maximum sharing and reuse of data, leading to easier and simplified data consolidation. Data redundancy, that is the repetition of the same data, is avoided. The general data of a business partner is available for different business partner roles. However, specific data is stored for each role. So a business partner can be assigned to multiple roles, like a customer, a vendor, or a real estate partner. But every work that is he is responsible for in accordance with that particular role is maintained as a specific data and stored for each role in specific tables. We can have multiple relationships with the same business partner. Time dependency at different sub-entities, role, address, relationship, and bank data can also be maintained. Then moving into master data synchronization in a SAP S/4HANA system, master data synchronization synchronizes the master data objects of a business that are similar. The similarity can not only be from a technical point of view, but also from a functional view. In this way, you can integrate different SAP applications seamlessly into your business process. For example, you can use master data synchronization to set up the integration of the business partner with the vendor master. As a result, you will be able to integrate SAP applications that make technical use of business partners in their user interfaces and use the vendor master as a technical basis in the subsequent business processes. Importantly, customer vendor integration (CVI) for the business partner is a mandatory prerequisite in SAP S/4HANA. So this may or may not be again in your work area, that is the customer vendor integration, but having a knowledge of this is good when you want to get a full picture of the capabilities that are given to a business partner in the SAP S/4HANA system. We will check this architecture quickly. Let's move on. This we will be again coming back later, how to check and activate business partner functions in SAP Business Partner. So customer vendor integration CVI process is a prerequisite to moving to SAP S/4HANA. Business partner is now capable of centrally managing master data for business partners, customers, and suppliers. With current development, BP is the single point of entry to creating, editing, and displaying master data for business partners, customers, and suppliers. So whatever be the role, the BP is the single point of entity for creating, editing, and displaying the master data. Business partners can check the introduction of the CVI in the pre-checks and the technical conversion procedure of SAP S/4HANA on on-premise editions. The change in business process is that the user interface for SAP S/4HANA is transaction BP. There is no specific user interface for customers, suppliers as known from SAP Business Suite. To clarify, SAP GUI transactions are not available. So something we have to take help of other systems in order to fully get our business running. SAP doesn't support some kind of businesses which it was mentioned. And now about this architecture, as you can see, on the left hand side, we have the central data, which is related to the business partner. This is the CVI complex interface. Using this interface, the business partner data moves through the outbound interface into the customer and supplier. The business partner data is handled by the business partner APIs. It processes the data and then it pushes it into the customer supplier data. And again, the business partner resides in the business partner database, and the customer and supplier resides in the customer and supplier database. These are some things that are not available. We will check this out in detail later. Now, the SAP Business Partner master data configurations follow the below steps. Number one, set up business partner general data. For this, we go to the FPP1 screen. We can have this screenshot is a very weak one. We will be checking out in a front end improperly. So herein we assign the role to the business partner, and herein we assign the group to the business partner. Number two, select general business partner role and grouping. Here this grouping is linked with the customer vendor number range, and this grouping is key linking to the vendor customer BP groups and the number range. The system updates table BUT 000 once the general BP role completes. Number three, set up FI vendor BP role FLV N00. That is, FI vendor extension enables invoices to post directly in FI. Here, system updates vendor master tables LFA1 and LFB1. You can post the FI document but cannot create PO as you haven't extended purchasing data. Hence, for extending purchasing data, use role FLV N01. Have you interacted with these roles? Hello, Rahul. Rahul, are you able to hear me?
Sorry. Actually, might was mute, sir.
Okay. So I was asking you that have you worked upon these roles FLV N01?
No, sir.
Yeah, that's what I wanted to confirm because these are related to supplier.
Because exactly.
Okay, let's move on. So in a SAP Business Partner Master Data Configuration, the next thing is working with these roles that you may or may not be having. Then when document splitting is active, in which table is the splitting information stored? These are some of the questions that we face in interview. And you can have ideas upon this when you have in-depth working experience in the overall data flow and the tables. System updates table LFM1 once the BP role extends to the supplier BP role. Once BP extends to purchase organization using BP role FLV N01, you can use the vendor to create PO. Then setting up customer. Once you extend the BP role to FI customers, the system will update table KNA1. Further, the finance segment can start posting directly in FI. For example, FB 70 is the transaction code for that. This is how the business partner is set as customer with the particular role. Now, number 5 is extend customer to sales role. We use FLC U01 extended to the sales area. The system updated the table KNVV in sales view details so that you can use the customer in sales area. New role customer in SAP business partner. So this was the process of master data configuration in SAP S/4HANA Finance. It is an important step towards the business partner configuration in SAP system. Next, moving on to the next slide, we will take a look at the table information, starting with BC001 business partner. Assign it as a vendor partner. When business partner is extended to vendor partner role, it stores data in BC001. Likewise, BD001 is for assignment to customer partner. BKK21 is business partner aliases. We can check out with BUT asterisk in AC11 to get all the business partner related tables that we had a glimpse in our last class. Now these are all the table information corresponding to the customer general master, then customer master, so on and so forth. Then we have some hands-on for this, which you can check it out. This I have kept restricted to our area of work, that business partner created as organization with role general, then business partner created as organization with loan partner role, then business partner created as person in as load partner role, and again as person as real estate role. So in FPP1, I create a business partner in general. This is the role, and this is the grouping where we assign loan partner or real estate through the grouping process. Next, when we check it out in AC11, I have created 4 business partners: 101, 102, 103, 104. The first 2 are created as organization. So in the category 2 is showing, 2 means it is a organization type business partner, and 1 is person type business partner. In group 00001 is general grouping. DAR1 is loan partner grouping. These 2, one as organization is loan partner grouping, and 103 as person is loan partner grouping, and the last one 104 is created as real estate partner. Similarly, in key, these values are changing: 0003, 0003 for the first 2, and for the other 2, 0002. Next, if you want to check out how the roles are created for to be assigned to the BP role creation, we go to the SAP menu, SPRO, cross application components, SAP business partner, basic settings, define BP roles. This is again in the front end menu path. This opens up this particular screen. Here all the roles are there, the titles are there. For example, this is a vendor role. Then you can see here FLB 001 vendor. Then again, we will have a look at the customer creation process. Transaction code XD01. It enters data into KNA1 table. Here with transaction code XD01, I go to the screen for creating customer. I create two customers, 1 and 2. And when I check out KNA1 in AC 11, I am able to view the two customers, 1 and 2. Both are named ABC Info. And also you can see that in AC11, all this I created as AC with same name, DS Info, but assigned different roles. So this was all that I wanted to show you in this class. We'll be delving into further details in this process. You can come up with your suggestions and areas of interest upon which I can work out our uh, topics elaborately. Hello, Rahul.
Okay, sir.
So tomorrow again we will be trying to go into our previous course of progress uh, where we were checking out the topics in business transaction one by one, that is dunning, interests and all, and some of the configuration settings that we need to also check out, that are remaining in our action item list. And parallelly we will be proceeding with our this data flows. Now we are dealing with business partner, then we can take up security deposits, then payments, then interest calculation. Anything else you want to add?
Sir, what should I add, sir? Because whatever we are doing, I don't find out any relevance. According to me, whatever even you taught today
Mhm.
has no relevance with FICA. It is the order creation, customer creation, business partner creation. These are the terms used for sales and distribution.
Yeah.
Customer is
Yeah, but this was targeted to what we wanted to, learn regarding the data flow in the business partnered area. So based upon that, I picked up this chain of activities to be discussed. So if you specify further areas that you want to talk about, like in the security deposit area, you mentioned the tables and data flow that needed to be discussed. I can go into that area. Otherwise, we will be following the main processes that I had in my uh, main flow of classes that I was proceeding with. Is that okay, Rahul?
Okay, sir.
Okay. If you want, I can stop this recording now, and we can again speak upon the phone regarding this. Okay, I will call back
Okay, sir.
after this class.
Okay, sir.
Okay.